Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be looking at the PrimeXBT platform again. I haven't done a video on the PrimeXBT platform in a while. There's a couple of new updates to the Covesting module they have on there, and the rising popularity of the Covesting module has gone up. You can see by the people on it, the people you can follow, the track record of some of the people on there. It's got more history than it had last time I was did an update on the PrimeXBT platform. Just gonna, for anybody that's new to this, I'm just gonna go a quick overview of it as well. So here we are on the home trade page. One thing very unique about the PrimeXBT compared to a lot of the other crypto exchanges is it's not just cryptocurrencies you can trade. You have your cryptocurrencies. So go up here. This is your watch list here, all the markets. So you have all your main cryptocurrencies. You have your forex pairs. If you go down to the bottom of the all markets watch list, you have, so you can trade the gold, silver, and you have a lot of the major world indices. So here on the chart, also you can set your page up to have a look whatever you'd like it to look like. You have your order box, your running positions. You can have this to the left, right, whatever way you want to arrange it yourself. You can have different workspaces. Let's get back to here. So just if you are very new to the platform, quick and easy. If you want to do a sell order or buy order, sell order, you click on the red button, it comes up with a ticket. You can do your market limit or stop orders. Same thing with the buy, market limit or stop, and also a quick an easy way, just same difference, but if you want to, if you right click on the chart, it'll just come up with the options to buy or sell there, and then just bring up the ticket box again. So one thing to just make note of, PrimeXBT, they do offer high leverages. The max leverage they offer is 100x. So it's just something to if you're new to trading, just learn up about margin trading before you go straight in putting on 100x orders. Even when you're on a 100x margin trading platform, you should never ever be using all your margin on a trade. That's worse than gambling. You have more chance winning the lotto. So so just go over here into the Covesting module. So there's an awful lot more here since the last time I was looking. Last time I did an update for you about the Covesting. You can see here some of the top performers. So the top performer right now, this is one of the reasons I wanted to make an update about it, because I'm gonna myself just throw, I don't know how much, I'm going to throw a little bit into this top one here. In the last 46, it was only active for 46 days. We've got 1,685% profit. I'd like if that was running a bit longer than 46 days. He's got nearly 1,500 followers, a total equity of 69.5 Bitcoin. You can also, if you want to look that in the dollar amount, click that little button there, it says the dollar amount. $798,000 he has in total. The total funds that are following him, 798,000. We go look at a few of the other ones. So the second place, which is running for 37 days, even shorter, 620% profit. So number 3, I think, obviously the number 1 with the nearly 1,700% profit looks very attractive, but the one that's running here, the number 3, 162 days running, 1,160 followers, total following assets of $352,000. That's what, 30.6 Bitcoin, and 386 profit. So just the length of days that's been running is more consistent. There's nothing to say that these top two, there's nothing to say at all that these won't run for that amount of time, but it's just you have a better history to go off with the number 3. We're just going, this isn't, you need to look at a bit more than this if you're going to put your money into someone. But here you can just look. So you can look at we'll go on to a monthly chart. As he's only been around for 46 days, so it's a month and a half, so you're not going to get much looking at a monthly chart. You just see the manager's equity. That's just in a daily chart, so that could just be within the trade. Followers equity. So just over the period that the fund has been open, the followers equity has gone up dramatically. I'm not sure if that includes the profits he's made with them or just the amount of people that have been following him. The margin, oh no, sorry about that, the profit. So yeah, the profit since August 31st, it's October 13th now, 1700%. I'd still personally like to have a bit more history on that. It's definitely something I'll keep note of and to watch and see if those returns, not even that level of returns, but just see that I'd like to see more active days of him on the site. So you can just look down and see, so the maximum drawdown, the minimum drawdown, the win ratio. So his win ratio, pretty much the all-time is, so the win ratio and the all-time win ratio in 30 days. He's only been around for 46 days, so they're pretty much the same. So he's basically a 75% win record. If doesn't have to maintain that level of profits for me to invest in him, but I'd like to, if I see him keep going, just consistently profitable doesn't have to be crazy. That's definitely someone I would invest in. Another thing about the Covesting module is don't invest your entire capital into one person. It's just not smart. We'll go look at one of the worst performers. Let's see, rating. Total profit. I don't know if we can find the worst. I don't know if we can find the worst listed one, but you can see even there's an awful lot of new accounts. What's that total profit? This one's been running 163 days. It's 3% profit. Might hope for a bit more in the crypto space than that. Go to the total profit again. We'll go to the longest days running. So the longest running fund on the platform is 163 days, and he's got 128% profit. I think that's quite good. We've got 2-star rating with the module that's so new though. I wouldn't be looking at the star rating to get involved. I'd be just looking at the results. And the longest running traders are the ones I'd be most and profitable. The longest running traders are the ones I'd be most concerned with looking into. So here's this one. So total profit 388%. 162 days on the platform. We look at by monthly profit. So good month at the beginning, second month there's a drop. The year, sorry, that's just this month. So a few little drops. Well, it was a big drop, but there's no, since the very beginning, there's been no red month. So that's just the level of profit. Those drops aren't losses, just the profit wasn't as great as the month previous. So if you look at the manager's equity, so this is a big one. You don't want to see, this is the, I'm on the yearly. So the manager's equity is the manager's own capital. You don't want to be invested in someone where you see crazy drops, like an inconsistency in the person you're actually investing with. So if you look at this person, you can, it's very easy to see these little drops, that's just going to be expected, but overall it's an upward trending chart in terms of the manager's equity. I think I actually, having a just quick look here for you, I think out of all the people here, that is somebody I'd be putting my money in, and I'd be watching these two, the top two rated ones, just in terms to see if they do last on the platform much longer. What you can see is there's loads of funds here to look through, and with the popularity of it, there's just going to be more and more. So also, if you want to create your own strategy, start your own fund, just create that. Create the name of it, describe your strategy. You can also add your social media links. And also, they have added the Cove token. I'm not sure how you pronounce it, Cove token, COV token. But it's like an awful lot of platforms do create their own token just to, and you use it to lower your fees and stuff. It's a way of platforms popularizing their own tokens. So is that out or coming soon? I think it's coming soon. No, I think the coin is out. The total supply of 20 million. The last price is 0.188. Market cap currently of 3,768,000. So I think that is it for this video. I just wanted to show you some of the growth in the Covesting module on PrimeXBT, and just hopefully show you how to assess who you're going to put your money into yourself. Personally, for me, I'd like to see someone who's been on the platform a bit longer, and it's not just new to it. And number 3 on the rating list has been on for the second longest days of anyone in terms of their Covesting fund. 162 days, has 389% profit. The own manager's equity is just like it's a 45-degree inclining trend. It looks very good. I think I'll probably invest in that one myself to see how it goes. And I think I'll invest in that number 3 there and see how that goes, and that I will keep you updated on that. But that is it for today's video. I'm going to add, if you haven't yet signed up to PrimeXBT, I'll just throw a promo code in the description below if you want to use it. But that is it for today's video. Thank you for watching Mad Crypto. Thank you.